Hey guys, it's Julie Willits from juliewillits.com. Today I want to talk to you about what is and how to use a lead magnet. So stick with me and stick to the end because I'm going to actually put some information tool-wise on the screen. I'm not going to list it in the description below. I can't even speak today, but so stick around and we'll get right back into it. Hey, so this is Julie and how to use a lead magnet. So first of all, what is a lead magnet? So here I have an example of one lead magnet. And this is a book that is offered by my actual primary company. And people are able to order this, and they only have to pay the shipping and handling fee. And so this is giving them value without them actually having to purchase anything. So basically you are giving something away. So you may be trying to, build your email list with leads. And this could be a way for the people to actually be led by your lead magnet to go ahead and opt in and in exchange for their email address. And then you also may want to send this information out to your email list, helping yourself build authority, and the email list, they're having more trust in you. You're communicating with them. They are seeing that you're giving them different tools for free. Maybe this is what they're looking for. It's hard to know because you kind of have to know who you're talking to and what they're actually looking for, which, I ask quite a bit from my list. Sometimes I get responses and sometimes I don't. But you just have to keep trying and see if you can make some type of connection with them. And the other thing you could do with lead magnets is actually start a training library to use. You can create some ebooks from simple PDFs. And I'm actually going to put some information down in the description. But stick around until the end because I am going to put some information on screen. I'm only going to share it that way because then I know that you are actually interested and perhaps getting value from this video. So you can also create a video training library, giving people tips and tricks and, maybe on-screen recordings of how to do something step by step. And of course, you can research all of your content from articles, reports, even your own training webinars that you have attended, even some training that you may have in your back office of your own primary business. You can take some of the information there and record it on a video and give it to people for free. I mean, of course, you don't want to give away the farm, but a lot of times, there's useful information that's very beneficial that you may know that others don't. And of course, you can also check out blogs, books, and magazines for some of your content. So now you know a little bit more about a lead magnet, how to use it, what a lead magnet is, and how you can use it to position yourself as an authority, as a leader, and build your own training so people will want to actually get more information from you. Okay, well, I will see you guys on the next video, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. See you soon. Bye now.